this video, we are solving a question on trigonometric identities, and the question is, if cos²α minus sin²α equals tan²β, then show that tan²α equals cos²β minus sin²β. So let's get started without wasting much time. So we are given with cos²α minus sin²α equals tan²β. But in the result that we want to prove, we want to get it in the form of tan²α. So in order to get tan²α from the given equation, we can divide both sides by cos²α. So you will get cos²α divided by cos²α, which is 1, minus sin²α divided by cos²α, which is tan²α, and tan²β divided by cos²α, which is same as tan²β times 1 over cos²α, and we know that 1 over cos is sec, so you have tan²β times sec²α. So you have 1 minus tan²α equals tan²β times sec²α. And we know that sec²α is same as 1 plus tan²α. And now we will simplify it further and try to get tan²α on one side. So you have 1 minus tan²α equals tan²β times 1 is tan²β plus tan²β times tan²α. So tan²β times tan²α. If we isolate the tan²α terms on one side and the other terms on one side, you will get 1 minus tan²β equals tan²α plus tan²β times tan²α. So from on the right hand side, you can take tan²α common, so you'll have 1 plus tan²β, and we know that 1 plus tan²β is same as sec²β, and sec² is nothing but 1 over cos², so you have 1 over cos², or I can write tan²α over cos²β. The left hand side is 1 minus tan², which is basically sin²β over cos²β. Now in order to isolate tan²α on one side, we will multiply both sides by cos²β. So by doing that, on the left hand side, you'll get cos²β minus sin²β over cos²β times cos²β equals tan²α over cos²β times cos²β. So you can cancel out cos²β in these places, and we get cos²β minus sin²β equals tan²α. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.